Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal at my daughter's house, and I just got her a new water filter. This is the Vortopt water filtration system. So it comes with a booklet, and it comes with the cartridge. So it's obviously it's sealed in plastic. We'll just open that up real quick, and that's sealed really good. Let's get the knife out, and we'll cut that open. Nice and safe. So that is the plastic that goes on the filter. And this is the filter itself. So you're basically just opening the bottom up. And it's all stainless steel. And then you're putting the filter basically in the bottom of this. And you just kind of like twist it on, push it in. And you'll kind of feel when it makes a seal. Okay? And then you're going to put it back into the filter. There we go. Make sure it's snug. Sometimes it even helps if you put like a quick drop of water on the seal to kind of make it seal a little bit better. Then tighten that down. And it does come with a bunch of different adapters depending on your faucet, but most of them are pretty standard. So you're basically just going to unscrew this off your faucet. Some excess water comes out, and then you're basically just connecting this. And you want to make it snug. Don't over tighten it, but you want to make it snug. And then just check for some leaks, and turn on the filter part. You just push there, and it will take a little bit for the water to start flowing through your filter. And what I like to do, especially on new filters, is I'll take a glass of and what I'll do is I'll take a glass of water, and I'll run a couple cupfuls through, just to make sure that any sediment or any sediment powder gets out of the filter, so it's nice and clean. And then after you run a couple glasses through, you want to let it sit for a couple minutes, just so that the filter soaks all the water through the filter completely, gets rid of all the sediment. And then you run another quick glass through, and you can tell it filters out pretty quick. And then that's your last glass, and now this one's going to be ready to drink. And just fill about halfway. And then make sure you turn your switch back, and then you have your regular faucet working, and then you have nice, clean, fresh water. Oh, that tastes great. Brian from Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.